Welcome to our channel. Today we dive deep into fixing broken Plaid connections so you can restore seamless financial data syncing without hassle. Welcome to our channel. Plaid connections can sometimes break or fail, disrupting your financial data access and causing frustration. But don't worry, fixing these issues is simpler than you might think. Let's walk through a detailed, step-by-step troubleshooting guide to get your Plaid connections back on track. First, verify your internet connection. A stable and strong internet is essential for Plaid to communicate effectively with financial institutions. Next, check if the financial institution you're connecting to is online and not experiencing outages or scheduled maintenance. Sometimes the root cause is outside your control, but easy to identify. Third, ensure your login credentials for the bank or financial account are current and correct. An expired password or incorrect PIN will cause authentication errors in Plaid. If possible, try logging directly into your banking website to confirm. Fourth, review any security alerts from your bank. Two-factor authentication or unusual activity alerts might require you to verify your identity before allowing third-party apps like Plaid. Fifth, clear your app's cache or browser cookies if you are accessing Plaid via web interface. Corrupted cache or cookies can cause connection glitches and slow response. Sixth, update your app or platform that uses Plaid to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches fixing bugs and improving connection stability. Seventh, if available, relink your bank accounts within the app. Remove the broken link and follow the setup process again, ensuring you follow each prompt precisely. Eighth, check the permissions you have granted. Some institutions require specific consents for data sharing. Revoking and reapproving these permissions can often reset connections. Ninth, consult Plaid's status page or support channels to see if they are experiencing widespread issues. Sometimes the problem is on their end rather than yours. 10th and finally, if all else fails, reach out to customer support of the app you are using in conjunction with Plaid or directly to Plaid's technical team. Provide them with as many details as possible, including error messages and steps you've tried. By systematically following these steps, you can often resolve broken Plaid connections quickly and resume smooth financial data integration. Always remember patience and thoroughness pay off when troubleshooting technology. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with valuable tech guides and troubleshooting tips.